Welcome back to Termination X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're here with Boxycharm.
Yay! We
Sorry.
haven't filmed in a few days, we were going to say, so thank you for still staying with us.
Probably like a week or something.
We got a lot of boxes late, so we just figured we'll skip those ones and start with the new ones.
Okay, well this is even, okay, so it says Afterglow. And then it shows on the back what I'm going to be getting, I suppose.
I wish you got two boxes at once so we could
yay!
compare.
I was gonna honestly buy this because I wanted to try it, but I don't have to now. Okay, so first thing is Sol de Janeiro, right? Yeah, and then Coco Cabana cream. Yay!
It's cute packaging.
Because I have like their bum bum cream, and then I want to say there's like another one, like the acai or something that I'm gonna be getting, I think, with something else. But anyway,
How was your New Year's? Let us know in the comments below, by the way.
And then Touch and Soul, no Problem Primer. No Problem Primer. I can't speak. Sorry. These are like, you know, tongue twisters.
And in case we don't film again before Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day.
And then Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. That big ol' size.
It's one of my old favorites.
And then Nude Sticks Copper Foil Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the name on it right there. And then, and my doggy's in the background making noise if you guys can hear him. And then Pretty Vulgar Bronzed 113 Bronze Mannequin. Is that kind of like, I don't know if that's going to be like too reflective. Yeah, I like what I got. I
don't know what he's eating.
That is
but
it.
But that was it for this video. I feel like we haven't talked to you guys in a long time, so we need to catch up. But let us know what you think, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers. And we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.